Alright guys, we were able to play our esports titles in this machine, and honestly the GTX 970, since it still has driver support and 3 gigs of VRAM, is actually pretty decent for... What was that?
What the fuck?
What did I say that made you do that?
No, nothing. I just...
Oh.
Who told you to do that?
I know B-roll goes over this, so I just wanted to spin around.
Oh, okay, that's fair, I guess. McAllister, can you just add that in the video, please?
Let's try that again.
Alright, should I just start over?
I would just start. I don't know where you stopped at this point.
Alright.
Junga. Give McAllister all this.
He's like, what were you looking for?
Bitch is somewhere.
Alright.
$1,200 1440 piece.
Alright. Oh, you're just holding your finger on the trigger. I'm like, what's about to happen, man? Alright.
Finger on the trigger, about to go crazy.
Real times.
3, 2, 1. And it's also just really cool to see that these are basically like a cheap version of a Dalienware.
Oh my goodness.
Oh god. Alright. So I really liked... No, I'm just kidding.
We'll see you guys in the next one. Bye-bye.
And I really love these because ToastyBros.tech, and that's why I love these.
I really love these. I really love these. PCBros.tech. Later. Goodbye.
Random times.
Oh, he's ready. He's cooking. He's got eggs in his belly.
That's so weird. I got eggs in my uterus.
Okay.
Alright, 3.
Today we're going to be taking a look at a setup for Twitter and
How much was this again? 287.
I don't know.
But I just love turbo cock. Material solid. So let's see what we got. All right, John, I'm gonna shoot it. I'm gonna make this. Ready? Here we go. We just bout that here at the ToastyBros. We just bout that.
McAllister, your belongs to me, boy.
I might quit off of that, to be honest. And obviously with our 30 mark timed by, ooh, my goodness.
This PC is good bang. Buy PC for good bang.
Bang, bang. PCBros.tech.
So as always, we hope you guys...
Stop. It went out of focus. Off for it. Alright.
Yeah.
McAllister, make the PC blow up. Card and use it on one of the test benches in the PCBros area and see if it works. Like with it, and just like...
It could be the monitor for sure. I don't know. I had Phil check it out too, and he was like, buddy...
Yeah, all right, let's go.
You recording?
Yep, he beeped.
Oh, yes? Okay. So you got $400 to spend on Amazon or Newegg, but you don't know where to go?
I wasn't
like-
ready for
like-
that. What
Is that good? And then it can
Yeah,
be
yeah,
like-
that's
and-
good,
and-
yeah.
And today we're gonna...
Yeah.
All right.
Yeah, it works. And
Just keep going back and forth, please.
All right. $400 to spend on Amazon or Newegg for a pre-built, but you don't know where to go?
we're gonna show you.
Oh my god. Zach, you're laughing, but it's closer than yours.
Form was atrocious, dude.
Average Z owner.
Look at just look at that shed. All right, let's do it. Yell right now. Ask him. You said you would ask him. I'm so scared. I'm so scared.
It even has Wi-Fi if you don't believe in winning. Ethernet.
5800X non-3Ds at home.
Yeah.
We stay pretty behind. Everybody.
The PC server parts and use our discount code that is in the description down below. It will save you a good amount of money versus buying them on eBay. In today's video, link in the description down below. Next one, goodbye. Jesus Christ.
I can already hear McAllister. We're not going to make this anything. All right.
PCBros.tech. Anything you want. Not anything. we do have computers and laptops.
And within the first 30 minutes, I think we had gotten tossed up around... Within the first minute... Oh my god. Holy shit. Holy f***. I think we had already violated multiple OSHA. Violated multiple OSHA shit. Within the first minute, we had already dropped pretty much every component. And by about 30 minutes, I think OSHA pretty much... Within the first minute, I can't f***ing do this line in 2 parts, dude.
Oh, teleprompter. No.
I love this teleprompter right here. This teleprompter is great.
Hello. Of course, I don't want to crash now. Hello.
Try to run it.
McAllister's gonna hate you.
Were you hoping we'd say something naughty or something?
He's gonna hate you.
Calvin.
I'm ready.
All right.
Waiting.
We actually still need to wait.
Yeah, I'm trying to figure something out.
He's not. He's trolling. The way he's laughing, he's like not doing anything.
All right.
He hasn't hit a button in like.
All right. Ooh, that was kind of fire. Spread challenge.
Recording
Spread
on
challenge.
OBS. McAllister.
Gosh. Yes.
Dead bodies everywhere.
You show?
Aesthetic. It's so aesthetic. Little did I know that's Gatorade in a bottle. The guy's gonna hear this and he's like, what the
We got this computer right here ready for an interrogation. Why are you so dirty, huh?
Why?
Why are you so dirty?
Well, I guess we need to, since it's not gonna talk, it's time. Seems like the wind's blowing westward today.
Papa Molly, I'm sweating. I keep a Glock and chalky milk in my fridge. We work in some hard conditions, guys.